Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Unlock Inner Peace meditation that can be completed on any day as soon as you open your eyes to another peaceful day or to tap into a place of serenity throughout your day. Feel free to continue laying down in your bed or wherever you are resting, or you can sit up with your legs crossed, straight, elongated back, with your hands on your knees, facing downwards to ground all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. We want to take this opportunity to demonstrate gratitude and give thanks for having another opportunity at life and the ability to embody and resonate in this practice. Also, take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for taking a few minutes out of your day to welcome in inner peace that should allow you to maneuver harmoniously throughout your day, ignoring negativity, and not allowing any toxicity or distractions to deter you from enjoying the day ahead. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. Honor yourself by manifesting what is rightfully yours, engaging in positive wellness routines, taking breaks when needed, and proactively working towards any goals that you have set for yourself. Breathing naturally here. When you leave this practice, you will feel renewed, whole, healthy, wealthy, but most importantly, peacefully, because you deserve it. With your eyes gently closed, take a deep breath in through your nostrils, capturing anything you may be experiencing that is negatively impacting you, and on your exhale through your mouth, release all the things that do not add value to you or what you envision for yourself. Again, as you inhale through your nostrils, discover the illusions, missteps, and which distractions are preventing you from true peace and growth in this lifetime. And on your exhale, with a deep sigh out, let go of the people, places, fears, thoughts, bad habits, stress, or things that no longer serve you. Now, on this last time, take a deep breath in as you go to your happiest place and personify that tranquil feeling of peace. And on your exhale, slowly sigh out the peaceful energy and allow it to manifest and surround your presence. We are going to repeat this 3 times, taking a deep inhale in for 5 seconds, epitomizing the peace. You're then going to hold your breath at the top for 4 seconds, filling your inner body with peace. Then, with a deep sigh out, exhale for 5 seconds, illuminating your space with the peaceful energy. 2 more times. Deep inhale for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then, with a deep sigh out, exhale for 5 seconds. Last time. Take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then exhale with a deep sigh out for 5 seconds. Breathe here naturally, finding your natural rhythm and feeling the peace fill your inner body and exude throughout your outer energy. All right, beautiful beings, as we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, peaceful thoughts, intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words, intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep breath, inhale to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am accepting the challenges that will strengthen my inner peace. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day, another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, close your mouth and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side in a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this Unlock Inner Peace meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.